So, titikman na natin siya, guys. Taste reveal. Oh my God. See? Unexpected ko to, guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Itong tango daw. Yummy. Yan mga kabataan, gagawa tayo ng kasaba cake with try. Ito na yung kasaba na nagigiling ko na yan. And then, nalagyan na natin. Umpisa na natin. Milk butter. Yan. Evaporated. 300 ml. Yan. And then, condensed milk. 300 din, guys. Ito nyo ba? Yan. Oops. 2 egg. 2 egg. And then, coconut milk. 1 cup. And sugar, guys. Ako ayoko masyadong matamis, guys. So, konti lang ilalagay natin kasi may evap na. So, 2 teaspoon lang, guys. Then, mix natin. Ayan. See that, guys? Mix lang. Ayan, guys. Halong-halo na. Halo lang. First time ko, guys. So, just try. So, yan, guys. Mix well na siya. First time natin. Favorite kasi ito ng asawa ko. And then, nalagyan na tayo ng butter. Sasalin na natin siya, guys. Ayan, guys. Nalagyan na natin ng butter yung paglalagyan natin. Kasi bibake natin siya. Salin na natin siya, guys. Yan, guys. Ilalagay na natin ito sa oven. Yan, guys. Lagay na natin sa oven. Bake natin ng 40 minutes to 45 minutes to 75 degree. Yan, guys. Tapos na ang 50 minutes in 75 Celsius, guys. So, hanguin na natin siya. Oh, gosh, mainit. Yan na siya, guys. See, lalagyan natin siya ng topping. Yan na, guys. Gagawa tayo ng palagay sa ibabaw, guys. So, kukunin lang natin, guys, yung egg yolk. Two egg yan, guys. Yan lang kadali, guys. And then, evaporated. Yan, guys. Evaporated. Yung tira kanina. And then, coconut milk. Ayan, guys. Mix lang natin siya. Ayan, guys. Mix lang. Hanggang mag-mix well. And then, after that, salin na natin siya dito. Ayan, guys. Para lang siyang leche plan. Ayan. Ayan, guys. And then, cheese. Add in cheese, guys. Ayan, guys. Then, babalik natin to sa oven for 15 minutes to 20 minutes, guys. Yan, guys. Babalik lang natin siya uli ng 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Then, well done. 20 minutes uli, guys. Yan, guys. Luto na siya. Hangoy na natin. Look at this. It's so hot. Of course. Yan na siya. Guys, dalawa yung ginawa ko, ha. Yan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yan, guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Luto na ating kasaba cake. Actually, guys, dalawa yung ginawa ko. Ito yung isa. Yan. So, titikman na natin siya, guys. Taste reveal. Oh my God. See? Unexpected ko to, guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Ang tanong daw. Yummy.